People think $10 can't change much, but for a street dog it can change everything. $10 gives a hungry dog a full meal. $10 buys medicine for wounds they've carried for weeks. $10 gives a warm blanket, a safe space, a little hope. It might be small to us, but to a dog who has nothing, your $10 is the difference between suffering and comfort, between fear and safety, between surviving and giving up. Your small kindness can save a life.